Do you like what you are seeing in front of you? I will walk you through a step-by-step process on how I achieve this yummy, juicy, authentic Cameroon pepper snails. Hello guys, welcome to another interesting recipe on how I make an authentic African pepper snails. In this recipe, I'm using dried snails. I already washed my snails and it is on the stove boiling. Right now, I've chopped my tomatoes and my onion, my green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, these are the ingredients I'll be using for my snails. I have chopped green spices, pepper, ginger and garlic, ground jangsa, tomatoes, sliced onion, chopped green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, salt, white pepper, and seasoning cubes. I already cooked my snails with just salt, seasoning cubes, and curry powder. I'll go ahead and shallow fry these snails on my stove. The first batch is ready, and on the stove you can see that the second batch is still on the stove frying. This is how the snails turns out to be after frying. In a pot, I use the same cooking oil that I used to fry the snails. I'll go in with my fresh tomatoes, my chopped onion, then I give it some good stir. I will allow this to cook for a while. Next, I'll go in with my ground ginger, garlic, and my chopped green spices. I'll keep frying until when everything is ready. I'll now go in with my chopped green bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. Then I give it a good stir. Next, I'll go in with my seasoning cubes, followed by my ground white pepper, some salt. Next, I'll go in with my fried snails. I'll gently mix until everything is well combined. Now I'll go in with little quantity of water. I will now allow this to sit and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. We will be eating this with some fried ripe plantain. From time to time, I'll be checking my snails on the stove to make sure it is on point. For the ripe plantain, I'll start by peeling off the plantain, Next, I will slice them into my desired shape, getting them ready to be fried. In a frying pan, I already put in my cooking vegetable oil. Next, I go in with my ripe plantains. The plantain is on the stove frying, and at this point the first batch is ready. I already put in the second batch and it is ready to be removed from the stove. Our peppered snails is ready. Guys, look at the outcome of our snails. You can't imagine how delicious, yummy, juicy it is. This is our fried plantain and it is ready to be consumed. Our snails is ready and the fried plantain is also ready. It is now time to enjoy with your family, with your friends and loved ones. Guys, you are invited to come and join us to eat. Thanks for watching and I will see you all in my next video.